An island where science tried to play God and created a hunter that no cage could hold and not even death could stop. Before we begin, let's meet the main characters. First is Martin Krebs, ambitious and a little ruthless, an operative for Parker Jennings Company. His motto, profit at any cost. Second is Jorah Bennett, an ex-Special Forces operative who left the military for a peaceful life. Third is Dr. Henry Loomis, a strange but brilliant dinosaur scientist with an encyclopedic knowledge of prehistoric creatures. Fourth is Duncan Kincaid, Jorah's old friend, also ex-Special Forces, now a fisherman who knows every hidden waterway. And finally, an innocent family, just on a holiday trip, but unknowingly about to get trapped in a deadly game. The story begins 17 years ago, a remote island. On it, a laboratory where scientists work together, experimenting on dinosaurs, creating new species, all to make huge profits. But greed pushes them too far. They create a dinosaur so dangerous it becomes a threat to them. One day when a team of scientists tries to sedate the creature, a small mistake happens. The entire laboratory system fails, and the most dangerous dinosaur ever made destroys the place completely, turning it into ruins. Present day. In New York, Martin brings a mission to Jorah. He tells her, "We can use dinosaur DNA to create a drug that can stop human heart disease. Selling it will make us millions. But there's one problem. The DNA is on that same island, and the government has strictly banned anyone from going there." Jorah refuses. Then Martin offers her $10 million. After the offer, Jorah agrees. Martin and Jorah go to the New York Museum, where Henry works. They share their plan with him. Henry says, "Small dinosaur DNA won't work. We need DNA from giant dinosaurs, like Mosasaurus, Titanosaurus, and Quetzalcoatlus." To reach St. Hubert Island, they contact Kincaid. After hearing the plan, Kincaid agrees, and the team sets off for the island. The big question, how will they collect DNA? Henry reveals his invention, the BioDart extractor, a special dart that can automatically collect a DNA sample, launch up to 100 feet in the air, and return safely to the user. The first target, Mosasaurus. At the same time, the normal family is enjoying a boat trip. Suddenly, Mosasaurus attacks, flipping their boat over. They send a distress call. Kincaid hears it. Despite Martin's objection, Kincaid says, "We can't leave them." They rescue the family. Later, while tracking the Mosasaurus, the giant sea predator attacks their own boat. Jorah takes the chance, fires the BioDart, and successfully collects its DNA. But the danger isn't over. Mosasaurus brings help, a Spinosaurus, which hunts alongside it. During the chaos, the family drifts away into different waters to save themselves. Martin's team heads for the island. In the attack, Kincaid loses two of his friends. Martin reveals, "This island once had a laboratory where dinosaurs were created and sold. The ones that didn't sell were left here." After talking, they continue their journey. Jorah warns, "We have to get the DNA quickly. I've sent a signal to the rescue team. Tomorrow night, they'll search the southwest corner of the island near the village." They soon reach an open field and collect Titanosaurus DNA. Meanwhile, the family is also searching for the same village. On the way, they find a boat, but right next to it, a T-Rex is sleeping. When they try to take the boat, the T-Rex wakes up and attacks. The family hides behind rocks and barely survives. Martin's team now plans to collect Quetzalcoatlus DNA from its eggs, since catching it in flight is impossible. In the mountains, they find the eggs and take samples. But the Quetzalcoatlus attacks fiercely. In the chaos, another of Kincaid's friends is killed. With all three DNA samples, the team finally reaches the village. But it's not a village. It's the same ruined laboratory from years ago. The family arrives there too. Suddenly, small dinosaurs appear, ready to attack. Everyone hides. Kincaid notices a helicopter arriving. But when the rescue team sees no one, they turn back. To call them, Henry fires a flare gun. That's when the D-Rex appears, the same mutated dinosaur that destroyed the lab 17 years ago. The D-Rex attacks the helicopter, smashing it apart. Martin knows there's only one boat left to escape. He runs for it, leaving everyone behind. Jorah and the others realize Martin has betrayed them, but the vehicle Martin is running to is making a loud noise. The D-Rex hears it and attacks. Martin is killed instantly. Now Jorah and the others try to reach the boat. But a siren goes off, attracting the D-Rex to their location. Kincaid uses a flare to distract it, pulling the dinosaur away from the group. Everyone thinks he's dead, but as they sail away in the boat, a flare shoots up in the distance. It's Kincaid, alive. They pull him onto the boat and escape the island.